The overall goal of this X-ray-free electron laser powder diffraction experiment is to probe the electron dynamics induced in nanocrystals of C60 via interaction with intense femtosecond X-ray pulses.
This method can help answer the question of whether X-rays delivered in extremely short pulses in very intense bursts affect samples in ways that deviate from conventional X-ray crystallography.
Though this method has been applied to the transient electronic structure of C60, it could equally well be applied to a range of other samples, including protein crystals.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because X-ray science is relatively new. The protocols are still currently being developed and tested.
The experiment depends on the correct preparation of the C60 sample. Have the necessary materials ready in a biosafety cabinet. These materials include a source of 5 grams of C60 powder and mortar and pestle. In addition, prepare a sample holder for the experiment. This aluminum frame sample holder has 48 approximately 2 mm by 12 mm cells and has a thickness of 1 micrometer. Complete the sample holder by adhering a 10 micron thick adhesive polyamide film to cover one side of the frame. With the polyamide film in place, the cells now form wells for the C60 powder. Once the sample holder is ready, begin working with the C60. Transfer a small batch of about 100 micrograms to the mortar. The powder level should not exceed the height of the rounded edge of the pestle. Crush the powder to produce fine nanoparticles.
Crystals that are too large diffract too many X-rays during the X-ray experiment. Check that the crystals do not show any visible light reflections, as this is a sign that they have not been crushed finely enough.